Hi there, and welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. This is Nyla again today, and I have for you a 1938 Ford Sedan Delivery. This thing has a very beautiful custom paint job, kind of a two-tone blue, almost a little bit of teal in there. And these were considered, well, it's a sedan delivery because it's got the two seats like a coupe, but then there's no seats in the back, so it's kind of got the open back, so you can fit some cargo in there. This thing is beautiful inside and out, super customized. I'm not super knowledgeable on this style of car, but if you look below this video, it will have a full description of all the nooks and crannies and what makes this car so special. So I just wanted to kind of do a walk around so you can get an idea of the color and exactly what it's looking like. Love the wood grain interior, cloth bucket style seats. Super clean. It is an automatic transmission, 5.7 liter V8. I'll go ahead and get it started for you. Nice and smooth, no hesitation on the start. It's got a cool little radio dock up ahead. It's pretty cool. The AC does work. I can feel it pumping. Just beautiful. It's very comfortable in here. So I just want to get it started, let you hear it run. Pop the hood. The engine bay on this thing is immaculate. It's kind of cool how that turns, and then you just lift her up. Check out that engine. She's pretty. Alright, we're going to take it for a ride for you. Stay tuned. Alright, we're in the 1938 Ford Sedan. Going to take it for a little ride for you. Might not be able to hear it too much, but there's definitely some rumble under this hood. Okay, we're going to take this little curb there. Doesn't exactly have power steering, so you do have to drive this car. Super smooth. Oh yeah, it's got some pickup for sure. Just kind of take it down the road. The brakes feel very good. It's like being in a time capsule in this thing. Little brake test. Oh yeah. We're looking and feeling good. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around, put it up on the hoist so you can see the undercarriage. Thanks so much for tuning in. I did forget to point out that all these gauges do work. Obviously they've been redone and customized, but they are all working. The horn works. Good to go.